Hey everybody, I'm Jedi Master Arden at TI-18623, and this is a unboxing video. I had to redo it, that's okay. So here you go. If y'all remember seeing this is my first Ultra Saber. It's green colored and everything. Well, let's see what came in the box. Now I've already opened it, that's okay. So let's see what came in the box, shall we? So what we have here is the belt clip and a set of cards and paper. Basically a thank you paper for for choosing. It says thank you for choosing Ultrasabers. So there's the paperwork. I need to get a better camera. And a set of cards, which is great. Here's the belt clip. I ordered the belt clip because I want to do 2 sabers attached to my Jedi belt. So now I have 2 of them. Cool, right? And here's the other 2 pieces. This is the ring and the bolt that it goes into. Okay. And you drill the hole out, you thread it in, piece of cake. Okay. There is a slight problem with that, with where it threads in and stuff. And I'm going to explain that to y'all really. It'll be short and quick, and then we'll get to the actual big Bernoulli. Okay. So at the bottom of my Dark Initiate V4 here, LE. So as you can see, here's the pommel cap. Here's the hilt. Okay. And here's this little gap. Let's see if I can't show it to you a certain way. So it's right in here. So the best place to actually drill into it is actually close to that lip that is right there. I wanted to do it like I can't talk, like this, but then it would overhang and it wouldn't look smooth. So I would probably have to drill it in right there, somewhere in here. But there's another problem with that. So it's threaded. Y'all can't really see it really good. I'm sorry, but I'm showing it to you anyway. And it's deeply threaded. Now you can see that. And that's going to be kind of a problem because the threads here are a headache. I'm going to have to order an extension piece probably. I want to see if there's something that where I could screw this in because of the threads. I want to put it right there in that little gap that I told y'all about, but it just does not look clean. It don't. Now, well, actually, you know what I could do is actually I could put it. I think I just solved my problem, y'all. Okay, so I could put it up here. Okay, so it's gonna be so this is gonna be pointed up. Okay, so actually that's not a bad idea. I like this idea, right? Okay, so here's the power button here, right? Right. So we don't have to worry about that. There's enough space in here to drill into. So all we have to do is just drill a hole on the opposite side. Put the this is a blooper reel too. So all we have to do is the battery pack came out. See, there it is. And then drill a hole on one side, thread it as you're drilling it, put the screw in, there you go. Never mind, I do not need a contact Ultrasabers. I don't need a contact hook. I'm grateful. Now, I am going to show you the Big Shamil. Let me get my kit, my iFixit kit out, and we're going to need to find a Allen key head. Let's see if this fits. I got it around the first try. Here comes the dayblade. Dayblade. Okay, so The reason why they ask you to match up the color for your dayblade is because if you put a blue light with a green, it won't shine as good. Trust me, it won't. That's why I did take their suggestion to heart. So I found it. Oh my god, man, man, Ultrasabers, y'all sure know how to package a stick. We've got some film around it. Um, Ready? Let's go. So we're gonna take our screw out. Be careful, that screw's tiny, mate. Where you can find it. There it is. Okay, we're gonna take our battle blade out. Here is the LED that's on the inside. It's like a flashlight LED. That's how bright it is. See? Don't point it at people in real person, please. That's why there's plugs for that. Um, so we're going to take this film off. I'm not going to be hearing any of the sound effects. So I have RTX audio filtering on. I like to have probably asking yourselves, Jedi Master, why did you get a day blade? Which one of the blade you have? Well, I'm going to sum that up for you. Okay, so the day blade is meant for daytime troops, basically. Okay, so it makes it easier for you to see it during the day. So we now put it back in. If you're curious on how I did that, there's the hole. You put it in. Take your little screw. Put it in. And Ultrasabers, I give y'all 100 out of 100 rating. Okay, we're ready to power this thing up. See? Wow. Let's turn the light off, shall we? Light is off. Y'all can't really see me that good. That's okay. Now watch the date blade. That's awesome, isn't it? See? So awesome. I like this. This is great. Mess with it. I mean, you could do almost anything with it. And it looks really good in the shot. Really good in the shot. Ultrasabers, y'all did a good job. Real good job. All right, so that's the unboxing of this. So I mean, it's look how bright it is. Oh my god, it lights up my shirt. Well, there you go. So we're gonna put the other blade back in. The white blade is also good for nighttime, but this is good for battling. This is what you call this is like their I think this is their mid grade or I don't know which blade this is, but it's pretty darn thick. So I bet you it's as thick as this one is on the inside. It's as thick as that, basically. Maybe just a tad thicker on the inside, where the hole is. So it's probably just a little bit thicker. I was talking about this one comparing. That one's the green one, okay. You got this one too. Sweet. Alright, well that's the unboxing video, and until next time, I'm Jedi Master Arden and TI18623, and I will see y'all in the next unboxing video whenever that happens. So, I'll see y'all later.